Hello everyone, in this video of TechBon Info, we are going to do a camera compare between Pixel 3 versus P30 Pro. Before this, make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest videos. So let's start. The camera in a smartphone is becoming increasingly important, and companies have been seriously stepping things up when it comes to smartphone camera quality. The Huawei P30 Pro boasts a whopping 4 camera lenses on the back, including a 40 megapixel super spectrum lens with an f1.6 aperture, a 20 megapixel wide angle lens with an f2.2 aperture, and an 8 megapixel periscope zoom lens with an f3.4 aperture, and a time of flight sensor for measuring depth. It's a pretty impressive array of sensors and should make for a great photo taking experience. On the front, the device has a 32 megapixel camera with an f2.0 aperture. The Google Pixel 3 XL is no slouch in the camera department either. It only has one rear-facing sensor which sits in at 12.2 megapixels. But it also has Google's high-end artificially intelligent image processing, which has been hailed for producing excellent shots. Around front, there is a dual lens camera that pairs two 8 megapixel sensors. Now let's look at some samples taken from the Google Pixel 3 XL and Huawei P30 Pro for better understanding. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching our reviews. Make sure you like the video and do subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in another video.